Hi boys and girls, welcome to our math lesson for today. Today we are going to practice counting by fives. But first we are going to practice a review of counting by twos. So we first are going to circle the groups of two with each animal. So there's 1, 2 crocodiles. There's 1, 2 of the birds. There's 1, 2 of the antelope. And there's 1, 2 of the zebras. All right, let's practice counting by twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 animals on the page. All right, boys and girls, so we looked at, on your hundreds chart, you should have looked at the twos pattern. So we're 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then we 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and we skip 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. What do you notice so far? We've put a marker on every place that's a 2 to skip count by twos. So what do you notice on the hundreds chart? All the numbers with a 2 are marked, so it would go all the way down to 92. All the numbers with 4 are marked. All the ones with the 6, 8, and 10s. So those are all numbers that you would get when you skip count by 2. All right, boys and girls, let's look at skip counting by 5. So skip counting by 5s means you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so it goes 5, 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. It would be 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. What do you notice about skip counting by 5s? That would be like if you were giving a high five every time. What do you notice about it? What do you see on the hundreds chart when we mark the numbers with skip counting by 5? It's all the numbers with a 5, and it's all the numbers with a 0. So the multiples of 10 over here. All right, boys and girls, let's practice counting by 5s using tallies. So we are going to look up at the ants, and we are going to circle the group of 5 ants. So this is one of your math pages in your book, okay? Or in your math packet, all right? So we're going to look and we're going to find the groups of 5 first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a group of 5. So we're going to make tallies for this group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then remember, when we get to 5 with tallies, we connect them all and we do a line across. So there's a group of 5. So 5 for that group. And then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's that group. Are there any other groups of 5 ants? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, that's not a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not a group of 5. 1, 2, 3. That's not a group of 5 either. So those two are the only groups of 5. All right, boys and girls. So looking at the pairs of shoes, do you think that we would count the shoes by 5s or by twos? What could we skip count the shoes by? What are they in groups of? So here's a group, here's a group, here's a group, and there's another one. So how many are in each group to skip count by? 2. So you would count the shoes by 2, all right? Let's skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There are 10 shoes. All right, boys and girls, what about the groups of kids? Here's one group right here, and there's one group of girls right here. Would we skip count these groups by 2 or by 5? How many are in each group? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So could we skip count the kids by 2s or by 5s? By 5s. All right, let's count the kids. 5, 10. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, what about the bugs? Circle the groups, and then I want you guys to check off if it would be 2s or 5s that we could count these bugs by. All right, and now we are going to count the apples. But first, we're going to find the groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's one group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's another group. Circle the group of 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so how many tallies do we need to make? Let's make the tallies for this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3. All right, let's count our tallies. Ready? Remember, these are groups of 5, so we can skip count by 5. So 5, 10, 15, and then, oh, there's no more groups, so we count by 1s. So 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 apples. All right, boys and girls, that is it for today. I will see you tomorrow.